Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am at our net zero renovation here up in rainy Whistler. Weather forecast today was for a fire hose of rain today and tomorrow. We're supposed to get over 100 millimeters of rain. I just thought we would go around today and do a quick update on progress to date. Just a reminder, we started this 3,500 square foot project back in mid-January, and we are 8 weeks from completion. It is currently the middle of October, and I will have to apologize. I forgot my camera holder, and so this is going to be a bit jiggly. Hopefully you can hang on. So let's go around and see what the guys have been up to for the last 10 days or so. One of the biggest changes from the last 10 days or so is the progress on siding. Boys are now working their way around on the second floor to the front of the house. As we go around here, you can see all the timber works are done. All the fascia from Altitude Roofing is complete. We've got some landscaping down the side here, a set of trees that'll act as screening, and both sides of the house are now complete from the second floor up for siding, and the boys next week will be moving downstairs to get the lower levels done. Let's go on inside and see what's been going on in there. You can see the kitchen cabinets are being installed by Living Edge. Awesome job by these guys. Say hello, guys. There you go. Of course, we are still waiting for our door from Fenster. Hopefully that's going to show up in the next 4 weeks or so before it gets too cold. And as you may have noticed from some of our other postings, the stairs are now complete, just waiting for the railings to go in. Those are Douglas fir glue lam treads sitting on this custom welded steel stringer. And then of course the lower stairs are all done too, just carefully protected here. Into the media room, just looking at the entertainment unit. Everything going along really well. And then of course, the boys have done a great job with all the base and case, doors, frames, baseboard. That is all in place. So stay tuned, another couple weeks, and we will be getting very, very close to the final stages of finishing this fabulous project. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow us along on Facebook or Instagram.